everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Teacher.
Yes, hello everyone. It is so good to have you here today.
Leo, how are you today?
I am great. I had a big breakfast, so I am happy.
A big breakfast makes a happy Leo.
Always.
Today, we have a beautiful lesson.
Yes, a very useful lesson.
Today, we will learn how to have a simple English conversation.
Very simple, very easy, very beginner friendly.
Don't worry. Sit down, relax, take a deep breath.
We are here with you. We will speak slowly.
And we will learn step by step. How is the weather today, Leo?
The weather, it is sunny, very sunny.
Oh, nice.
Yes, when it is sunny, I feel good.
I understand. When the weather is nice, conversations feel easier too.
Yes, talking is easier when we feel relaxed.
And to our listeners, hello everyone. Thank you for spending your time with us.
Yes, we are happy you are learning English with us.
We want you to feel safe, comfortable, and confident.
No stress, just fun learning.
Today's topic is important.
Very important.
Many English learners feel nervous speaking.
Yes, when someone asks a question, the mind goes blank.
Yes, it happens.
But do not worry, we will fix that today.
A conversation is just two people talking.
Like this podcast.
Yes, talking, asking questions, answering simply. So today we will learn how to start a conversation, how to ask simple questions, how to answer, how to keep the conversation going.
And we will practice together.
So get ready. Let's begin.
This is the first skill.
How do we start talking to someone in English?
We can start with a greeting. Simple greetings like, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Very easy, very simple. Hello, how are you?
That is perfect.
Repeat after me. Hello, how are you?
Nice job.
Hi, what's your name? Good morning. How was your day? Hello, nice to meet you.
Easy and friendly.
Now we learn how to answer.
Yes, sometimes we hear a question, but we panic.
So let's remove the panic. We will practice simple answers. Question 1.
How are you?
We can say, I am fine. I am good. I am great. I am okay. I am tired.
Very natural.
Repeat after me. I am fine. I am good. I am great. Beautiful. Question 2.
What is your name?
You can answer, my name is Emma.
Or, my name is Leo.
Repeat. My name is...
Great. You sound confident.
A conversation goes two ways.
Yes, if you only answer, the conversation stops.
So let's answer, and then we ask a question back. What is your name? My name is Emra. What is your name?
That makes the conversation continue.
Repeat this. My name is Emma. What is your name?
Good job.
Now let's learn simple conversation about daily life.
This is common in real English.
How is your day? What did you do today? Are you busy? How do you feel today? Answers. Here are simple answers. My day is good. I worked. I studied English. I am tired. I am happy today. How is your day? My day is good. I studied English.
Very natural.
Repeat after me. My day is good. I studied English.
Great speaking.
Now we learn how to show interest in the other person.
This makes conversation friendly.
How about you? And you? What about your day?
Very easy, but very helpful.
Repeat after me. How about you? And you?
Nice.
Now we talk about hobbies.
Fun topic.
What do you like? What are your hobbies? What do you do for fun? Answer examples.
I like music. I play football. I watch movies. I read books. I like cooking.
Example conversation. What do you like?
I like music. I play guitar. Very natural and simple.
Repeat after me. I like.
You are improving.
People often ask about work or school.
Yes, this is very common.
Questions. What do you do? Do you study? Do you work? Answer examples.
I am a student. I am a teacher. I work in a store. I am looking for a job.
Example conversation. Do you work?
Yes, I work in a restaurant.
Repeat after me. I am a student. I work in a store.
Great job.
Sometimes conversations die quickly.
Yes. Hi. Hi. Okay. Bye.
That happens. So here are simple phrases to keep talking. That is nice. Really? Tell me more. Wow. I understand. Interesting.
Example conversation. I like cooking.
Really? That is nice. What do you cook? See? The conversation continues. Now, let's listen to a simple, natural dialogue.
Between two English learners.
Hello, how are you?
I am good. How about you?
I am fine. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How was your day?
My day is good. I studied English.
Really? That is great. I studied English too.
See? Very simple, very real.
Leo, how many conversations did you have today?
2.
Only 2? Why?
Because after breakfast I was too sleepy to talk.
That is not a good excuse.
It is a very good excuse.
Listeners, don't be like Leo. Speak more.
Yes, talk more, sleep later.
Let's quickly review.
Today we learned how to have a simple conversation.
We practiced starting a conversation, asking questions, answering questions, talking about your day, talking about hobbies or work, keeping a conversation going.
And we practiced speaking together.
Remember, short sentences are okay. Simple English is okay. Speak slowly. Don't be afraid.
You can do it.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like and subscribe to Mr. English Teacher.
it helps us a lot.
And it helps more learners find the channel.
Today's question for you.
What is one sentence you can use to start a conversation in English?
Write your answer in the comments.
We will read them.